Today I have a couple drills coming at you from my somatic sensuality classes on Patreon. And the first is to start to feel a little playful and alive in our hips. We're going to practice a little salt shaker here. So to begin though, let's maybe have something you can rest your hands on, and we'll try to find the right position for our pelvis. So we're going to tuck under and then tilt out. Tuck under, press out, tuck under, press out. Now see if you can find that neutral and then press it out. And then we're gonna have super strong straight legs, so no bend in the knees here. And then we're just gonna begin to shift the weight side to side in the heels. You could even lift your toes, so we're not coming forward but really sticking our butt out, placing the weight in the heels, and then just begin to shift side to side, and then gaining a little speed, shaking out all that tension in those hips, feeling beautiful and embodied as we do. And then maybe you don't need the table anymore and you can come up and just straight legs back and forth through those heels and shake it out, feel alive in your beautiful body. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now we got some salt shaker in, jiggled it out some. Now we're gonna come onto a floor space. And just remember, this is just for you to feel beautiful, just for you to be able to connect with your own body, your own movements, your own pelvic floor. So, and at the same time, build core strength, right? So let's lean back onto your forearms. Your elbows are under your shoulders. Pressing down so you feel nice opening across the heart space, because we're proud, we're beautiful. And then lift your toes to the sky. Point your toes. And then we're going to begin by opening wide and then squeeze the toes back together. Open wide. Pull back to center. Open wide and then back to center. And now for a little bit of fun work, let's first shift the hip side to side, pulling through that side body up and up. And now we're going to add the legs. So drop your right toes, let them tick-tock side to side with that same action in the hips. And then circle up and around, drawing a little circle with your toe. And then switch, tick-tock. And then circle with that left toe now. And then to come out, let your feet pull you back to center. Stunning. And just a quick reminder, I have these full-length classes out on Patreon, including lots of sensual embodiment work, all incorporated with yoga poses, with breathing. It's not a performance. It's about feeling good and promoting healing within our bodies. So I hope to see you there.